In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a custom domain. So I'm going to use Hostinger. I'll show you how you can connect it to your Replit application. So I've already gone ahead and deployed it. And here it is just for the video. It's just a very simple example website. I'm going to walk you through how you can connect a custom domain that you've already got on another domain registration company. So what you first need to do is you need to go to deployments, and then you'll be able to find your app or website you've deployed. As you can see, it was deployed 2 minutes ago. Here is the current domain. So if we go ahead and click on it, we can preview it. You can see it is currently live, my demo website. What we're going to do is connect a custom domain. To do that, once you're inside of deployments and you've found your app here or website, go to domains, and then here you'll see the current domain. We need to go and click manually connect from another registrar, and then go ahead and find the domain you want to connect. So I'm on Hostinger. You can use any domain registration company, and if you just search it like you did do this search term, I might have a video showing your specific registrar. But anyway, we're going to go to my account and find a domain. So here we are inside of my domains. I'm going to go ahead and connect this one here, knowledgebaseonline.com. So I'll just click on it for the video, and you can see here it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy it. So we'll just copy it from up here, and then we'll paste it here in this box, and then we'll click next. Now what we need to do is add the following DNS records to our domain, and then we can connect it. It should be very easy. It should go all smooth. So the first thing we need to add is an A record. Now you need to go ahead and find where you can add the DNS servers on your domain registration company. It is going to be different for different websites and registrars that you've used, but on Hostinger you just go to DNS/name servers, and this will take you here to the back end, and we can go ahead and connect the domain now. So what we'll do is we'll go to manage DNS records, and for the first record we need to add an A record. Host name is going to be @ and this record here, IP address, we can go ahead and copy. So I'll go ahead and copy this. We will add an A record, name @ points to, paste in the IP address, then click add record. Now it may say that there is an existing A record which already exists. Just make sure that you have a note of the actual IP address, so it ends in 208. We can go ahead and confirm and add it, and what I'll do is I'll scroll down and we'll delete the conflicting one. So this is the one we've just added that ends in 208. Here is the conflicting one. I'll go ahead and just delete it. So we've just added our own, and now we've deleted any conflicting one. So now we're back, we're adding a TXT record @ and we want to go ahead and copy this in here. So make sure you copy all of it from start to finish, otherwise it is not going to work. So copy this, TXT @ and we'll paste this in. So you ready? TXT @ for the name, for the TXT value, paste this in, click add record. And again, if there's any conflicting record, it will tell you, but in this case, there wasn't. So what we've done now is we've added both of those records. Now we can go ahead and just click on link domain, and it then is going to start verifying that you have this domain and that you've added the records. Now this can take up to 48 hours for the DNS records to propagate, but just go ahead and be patient while this is verifying. Now one thing you can do while you're waiting for this to verify, you can go to dnschecker.org, and if you paste in your domain and click search, you should see everything would be green. If everything's green, it means you've done it correct. You're just going to have to wait here for it to properly verify. This can take up to 48 hours, so please do be patient. So to be honest, I was hoping that mine would be verified straight away, but as you can see, if yours is having trouble, click on the edit tool. It will say verifying. You can keep checking the status here, but it does say that once you've added them, it can take up to 48 hours to properly and fully apply. You can keep checking this, although for the video example, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. But as long as you add these two DNS settings and records, it will connect eventually and your domain will be working. I actually think it's just worked now. Yeah, so there we go. We've just got it working live on video somehow. So I'm just going to refresh this. We'll then go back to domains, and it still says that verifying, but when we go ahead and click on the domain now, it is now loading the website. So that is how you connect it. Believe me, just add those and wait. Thank you for watching.